Why you should eat walnuts after 50. Hello, and welcome to this video on why you should eat walnuts after the age of 50. As we age, it's important to pay attention to our diet and make sure we are getting the nutrients we need to maintain good health. In this video, we'll be discussing the many benefits of including walnuts in your diet after the age of 50. First, let's talk about what makes walnuts a nutritious choice. Walnuts are a type of tree nut that are high in healthy fats, protein, fiber, and a variety of nutrients such as vitamin E, magnesium, and antioxidants. These nutrients can provide a range of health benefits. So what are some of the specific benefits of eating walnuts after the age of 50? Here are a few examples. But before proceed, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to watch these type of informative videos. Number 1. Heart health. Walnuts are high in healthy fats, including omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease. They have also been shown to lower cholesterol levels and improve blood pressure. Number 2. Cognitive health. Walnuts contain antioxidants and other nutrients that may help improve brain function and reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Number 3. Weight management. Despite being high in fat, walnuts can be a helpful part of a weight loss diet when consumed in moderation. They are high in fiber and protein, which can help you feel full and satisfied, and they have been shown to help reduce appetite. Number 4. Diabetes management. Walnuts can be helpful for managing blood sugar levels, as they have a low glycemic index and are high in fiber. They may also help reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Number 5. Cancer prevention. Walnuts contain antioxidants and other compounds that may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, such as breast and prostate cancer. It's important to note that while walnuts can provide a range of health benefits, they should be consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. It's also a good idea to speak with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns about your diet or overall health. In conclusion, by including walnuts in your diet after the age of 50, you can take advantage of their many health benefits and support your overall health and well-being. Remember to eat them in moderation as part of a balanced diet, and speak with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this information helpful.